As far as grease goes for the energy wheels, we recommend using this Frontier Silver 70 grease. Heavy duty, it's got moly and Teflon in it. We recommend this for the energy wheels. As far as for the rest of the grease points on the machine, just a good general purpose grease will work just fine. These energy wheels should be greased at least once per shift, not more, to ensure that they give you long life. The suspension mounts for the front of the machine, we always want to make sure that there are 1 or 2 threads of the bolt showing on each side. And as the wear increases on the mounts, these can be snugged up ever so slightly. On the front of the machine, in front of the cab door, there is a small access cover to access the cab air filter right inside there.